Welcome back to the Code Maven channel. Recently, I saw a tutorial about the Rust programming language, so I figured I can try to play with it a little bit. So now we're going to see just the hello world in Rust. What you're going to see is everything on the command line. I don't do any of the IDE stuff. So Rust comes with a program called Cargo that can do does all the package management for it. And you can start with writing cargo, new, and then ABCD just to give some name to this project. And it created a directory called ABCD. So we can change directory there. And inside there is the source code. So you might have called it Hello World because you're going to create the Hello World program, but I was deliberately called it something else. So you will understand that the name of the project doesn't have to be Hello World just for this. What's in here is the source code that's interesting for now, which is in the src directory. And the source code is declaring a function called main that's required for a Rust program with the fn keyword, and then in curly braces is the content, and it runs println. Note there is this exclamation mark here, and that's how it prints the hello world. The way to run this is you write again cargo and run. And what it does now, it compiles the source code and executes it. So at the bottom of the screen here, you can see that's printed out hello world, what we hoped for, and the compilation information is also there. So it's done and it's running. That's nice. What you might want to see is that it also created a lot of other files, partial compilation, I guess, so it will be able to cache some things later on as you develop the code, and it needs to compile more and more of the code. And inside here, in the target directory, there's a debug subdirectory where there is this now called ABCD program. So I'm going to move this here to the root of the project, and I'm going to call it HW just to call it hello world. And now inside here I have both the source code and the target and all these cargo files, and I'm going to get rid of them just to show you that I'm just with this executable, and I can run the executable here and it prints out hello world. So this is what you would probably distribute, though I guess it's not, it's maybe a debug version and you need to compile something which is not the debug version. I haven't checked that out yet, but that's it so far. So it's quite easy to get started. Obviously, there are a couple of more things to learn before we can get started writing a Rust program. So thank you for watching, and if you like this intro and you'd like to follow up with the rest of the Rust tutorial that I'm slowly learning, and as I'm learning Rust, I'm going to build up my Rust tutorial as I did with a couple of other languages, um, and I'm going to record the videos as well. So if you're interested, make sure that you like this video and then follow the channel. Bye bye.